Aurangabad. The name itself has an identity as a historical monument. Aurangabad means built by the throne. Surrounded by many historical monuments including the Ajanta and Ellora caves, which are UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. Aurangabad is now declared as the tourism capital of Maharashtra. The city is known as the City of Gates, and its presence can be made as one drives through the city. Since 25 years, Aurangabad is one of the fastest growing cities in the world.
We saw the Ajanta caves.
Okay.
Not Ellora. It was very nice. It was very good preserved.
Okay.
The Buddha statues were very good. Yes.
And how are the people of the city? Very kind.
Indian people are generally very kind.
Okay.
We like them. Yes. We enjoy ourselves here.
In the 21st century, Aurangabad has not only remained as a tourist place, but it has advanced in many sectors such as industrial, means of entertainment, hospitality, cuisines. It is also famous for its handicrafts and handloom saris and shawls. Recently, Aurangabad became third city in Maharashtra to host auto cluster, namely Marathwada Auto Cluster (MAC). Electrical goods major Siemens has set up a plant for manufacturing of superior quality bogies at Shendra MIDC. Young entrepreneurs in Aurangabad booked 116 Mercedes-Benz in a day, creating a new record. History was created in Aurangabad when the young entrepreneurs, including builders, industrialists, doctors and other professionals, booked 101 BMWs. The reason behind the mass booking was to put the name of their city in front of the world along with availing group discounts. German luxury car maker Audi is increasing its capacity of Aurangabad plant this year owing to huge demand. The company at present has a manufacturing facility for assembling A6, A4 and Q5 model in the country. Audi India is currently making its way to increase its Aurangabad manufacturing capacity by this year as it has witnessed a huge demand. Aurangabad Airport is a domestic airport serving the city. Formerly, it was connected to Delhi and Mumbai, but the city is now connected with Delhi, Udaipur, Mumbai, Jaipur and Nagpur. Recently, flights were made available to the people travelling to Hajj pilgrimage. The new face of airport has added glory to growing Aurangabad. In sports also, Aurangabad's players have shown their talents worldwide. Some of the players like Shweta Jadhav and Tejaswini Sagar are the upcoming stars of the city. With the progress in sports, government has given the correct platform by constructing lavish sports complex. Many national and international sports are played here. Likewise, Pune, Aurangabad is making a strong place in cultural field. Many cultural festivals are held in the city. Among this, Ellora Ajanta Festival Aurangabad is true host for all sorts of artists and is a platform for encouraging local artists and handicrafts. The festival is indeed a true reflection of diversity and enormous wealth of performing arts and culture. With the accelerating Aurangabad, 2 new FM channels, Radio Mirchi and Red FM, were introduced. Aurangabad is one of the fastest growing consumer market in the country with a region of casual population of 3 million. The 7th largest tourist destination in India. Prozone Aurangabad, a new world of shopping and leisure. Prozone Liberty is a joint venture between Provoke and Liberty International PLC. Set up to create, develop and manage world-class shopping center in India. The country's first cheap Class 1 fully integrated shopping center.
आम्ही सध्या इकडे प्रोझनमध्ये आलेलो आहे आणि इथल्या सिक्युरिटी गार्डला सुद्धा आपण माहिती विचारूयात की यांना कसं वाटतंय.
प्रोझन मला औरंगाबादमध्ये आल्यापासून औरंगाबादची कमीत कमी 20 ते 25% मार्केटिंगमध्ये वाढ झालेली आहे. प्रोझनमुळं औरंगाबाद सिटी ही खूप प्रगतशील झालेली आहे. त्याच्यामुळं आम्हाला खूप अभिमान वाटतो आणि प्रोझन मॉल हा आशिया खंडातील 2 नंबरचा मॉल असल्यामुळं यांचे मला आपल्या देशासाठी खूप अभिमान वाटतो.
Along with Prozone, other malls and multiplexes like Big Bazaar, More, Anjali Big Cinemas, PVR, Fame also contributes to the growth of the city. Aurangabad has transformed into major education sectors in Deccan due to its rapid industrial growth and proximity to Mumbai and Pune. The city is transforming into major technological and management study hubs with many engineering and management institutes. As the competition is increasing day by day, the students opt for good quality coaching. To fulfill the requirements, there are number of coaching classes in Aurangabad having turnover of crores. Presently, there are 11 engineering colleges, several medical and management institutes, along with Institute of Hotel Management.
औरंगाबाद जे फक्त क्रांती चौक, पैठण गेट, गुलमंडी, शहागंज एवढ्या परिसरामध्येच सामावलेलं होतं, ते आता एवढ्या दूरपर्यंत पसरलं आहे की साधारण 25 किलोमीटर क्षेत्रामध्ये परिघामध्ये आज औरंगाबाद शहर वसलेलं आहे.
I'm from JNK and it has been more than 1 year in Aurangabad. And I have seen that the education of the Aurangabad is good. Parents are also responding to these such like sports, dancing, curriculum activities.
औरंगाबादमध्ये बऱ्याचशा MNCs आता येतात. जॉय स्टेट बँकची फर्स्ट इंटरनॅशनल बँक आहे जी आता औरंगाबादमध्ये आले, पुण्याची शाखा सोडून. औरंगाबाद रॉक्स! औरंगाबाद रॉक्स! औरंगाबाद